Hey guys, if any problems was unable to get the hard drive to work, uh, it this is what we call it clicks of death. But this hard drive just came from its old broken pink Dell laptop. So anyways, let's go ahead and plug it in. Let's plug the USB port and let's plug into the hard drives. So if you join this, please help me fixing it. I'm not gonna take the top cover off. Let's plug it in, and then let's listen to how it does. I do not have a computer hooked up, so hopefully this one might work. So plug it in. Watch me plug it in. Carefully, nice and gentle. Listen. As you can see, this problem was I was taking the cover off because it doesn't get shocked. So the problem was that the hard drive is not rotating, so I figured how to get it rotate, but this thing does not work. So okay, so this hard drive just came with its old broken Dell laptop. So I'll show you one more time before I stop the video. So let's plug it in. Let's take a close-up sound view of that. Let's put the camera right there so you can hear it. Let's plug it in. Can you guys hear that? So this, what it sounds like. This sound is called clicks of death. It's every time when it clicks a couple of times and it stops. But can you please help me fix this hard drive? So please don't take the top covers off if you attempt to service the hard drive. This hard drive must be performed by a qualified service technician to service the hard drive. But please do not open the cover because it can void its warranty. So it can void its warranty. Okay, let's disconnect the hard drive carefully. I need to be careful because the hard drives can be sensitive. So that's it for now. Please help me fix the hard drive. Thanks for watching. Bye.